Welcome to the channel. Today I am going to share a very informative video, and this video is based on CDM. So let's see that what is CDM. CDM is Clean Development Mechanism. Clean Development Mechanism defined in Article 12 of the Kyoto Protocol allows a country with an emission reduction commitment to install an emission reduction project in developing countries. Such projects can earn saleable certified emission reduction credits, each equivalent to 1 ton of carbon dioxide, which can be counted towards meeting Kyoto targets. CDM project categories are small scale project activities, large scale project activities, and program of activities. So let's see that what are the project types. Number one is energy efficiency projects. Then comes methane recovery, industrial process changes, cogeneration, transport, agricultural sector, and land use. Now let's see that what is the project cycle of CDM. Stage 1 is the project idea. Stage 2 is the project design, document, and the consent of the host country. Stage 3 is validation. Stage 4 is registration. Stage 5 is monitoring. And stage 6 is verification. So, this is some information on this topic. CDM or Clean Development Mechanism is a wonderful strategy for dealing or confronting the climate change issue. CDM is a wonderful tool for controlling emissions of greenhouse gases. So, this was today's video. So, do subscribe the channel and do press the bell icon as well so you can receive the notifications for the upcoming videos, because these videos are very beneficial for the science students, researchers, environmental and climate change activists. So if you like the video, so do hit the like button as well.